Hello, darling, this is me, and this is what I sound like in 1985 without music. For the same price, you could have had music, but I thought, what the heck? No music, baby, in this entire song, and we're halfway through. Do you wanna hear a love song? A song about romance, a song about love, or a romantic love song? Then check out this part coming up in the next part of the song in just a minute. I just thought that was funny.